Hello and welcome. Recently I rediscovered a problem with my camcorder by Sony, which is a message that says this memory card does not support recording of XAVC-S movies. Just in case you're not aware of what this means, you can select a different file format in the image quality settings here, file format, XAVC-S-HD or AVCHD. Basically, XAVC-S-HD is better quality, higher file size, but better quality, better bitrate. However, I have issues recording it, using it. And this changes, even though I keep using the same card, the same microSD card. If we take a look, the card in here is a Samsung Evo. This is an SDHC rather than an SDHC, high capacity rather than extreme capacity microSD card by Samsung, 32 gigabytes. And even though it does not say so on the specs website, it does so say on the manual. microSDHC card class 10 or faster supports XAVC-S format, while other formats are supported by SDHC and normal SD cards. And I was worried that this might be it, but there is actually a solution. You can just reformat the card in a way that allows it to be used with that file format as well. So just connect it to your computer via SD card reader, micro SD card reader. And once the card is mounted, make sure that you select the right device, the right drive, and then just right click it and select format. And this is what makes the difference. You have to select exfat rather than FAT32. Exfat, just set it to default allocation size. I'm going to call this one Evo and start. And yes, I'm sure that's the right card. You should double check definitely. And this is it. Just gonna eject it. There we go. Let me show you how to do the same thing on Mac. First you open Spotlight and you just enter Disk Utility. Once that is running, make sure to select your SD card on the left-hand side. And then you need to press Erase at the top. Here you can pick a name and the format, and you have to pick exfat. That's what this is all about. Pick exfat and then press erase after making sure that it's the right drive. And then you're done. Just make sure to control click the drive and eject it, and you can take it out. And now I'm just going to put the card back in. And as you can see, it will now allow me to record. Fantastic. And let's just double check image quality. Can we see that? Now I have to stop recording. Here we go, image quality file format XAVC rather than the AVCHD format. So there we go. All you have to do is reformat the card as exfat and you can use it again. Hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to support this channel and I'll see you next time. Have fun recording.